Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today, as you guys can tell from the title, I will be doing a day in the life of a stay-at-home mom, and it is actually a Monday today when I am filming this. And usually my husband does work from home and works during the week, but he is actually taking the whole week off this week, and we are going to the zoo with our boys. So I thought I would bring you guys along and just share a whole day with us, bits and pieces of course, but I hope you guys stay tuned. So before we get into the vlog, I did want to share this product that I am obsessed with lately. It is by the brand Luisa, and they actually sent these to me a couple of weeks ago, and I have been loving them and I am totally obsessed. They are a jewelry company and their mission is all about sustainability. They do provide limited batches, ensuring the highest production standards while eliminating excessive waste, which is amazing. And they sent me two pieces that I will be sharing with you guys. This mama necklace, which is so beautiful, you guys, and dainty, and it just looks like amazing quality. And feels really high-end. These jewelry pieces range from $39 to more higher-end pieces, so there is something for everyone. You can definitely find a perfect gift for a loved one or even just treat yourself, which is why I picked these two pieces. I absolutely love how dainty it is, and I will show you guys a close-up of the detailing on the back of the necklace. And the next jewelry piece that I chose were these beautiful hoop earrings, you guys. These are so pretty and will just go well with anything, just everyday casual wear, as well as if you want to dress it up to a more dressier occasion. So definitely go check out Ana Luisa's website. I will have a direct link in my description box so you can find your perfect piece or a piece for a loved one. And I also have a 10% off discount code that you guys can use for any of their jewelry. It is just Sydney10. Anyways, I do want to thank Ana Luisa so much for sponsoring today's video. I am super excited to be partnering with them. I am just so in love with the pieces. I cannot recommend them enough. So definitely go check out their website. I will have, like I mentioned, the direct link is in my description box. So with all of that being said, let's get into the vlog. Ready to eat?
Ready to eat, Daddy?
Yeah. Ready to eat? Now what are you gonna eat?
I want pancake with cream.
The whipped cream?
And I want pancakes.
Just pancakes
I want pancakes with syrup.
with syrup?
All that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see.
Mommy, I'm
Where's Liam? Getting his milk.
Yep.
This guy's hungry.
I know, but we're all hungry.
I have spoon. I have spoon. I have
Excited for you
I
now?
have spoon.
You see a puppy? Where'd he go? Oh, went over there?
That's right.
I
It's gonna come up again.
Yeah.
It's gonna come up again.
No!
They are here.
guys. So, you gonna say hi? Say hi, friends.
Hi, friends. Hi, friends.
Hi.
Hi.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
You having fun at the zoo?
Yeah.
We just took a little snack break and little nursing session break for Liam. And I think he's actually teething. Are you still hungry? Eating my finger. We actually had to reserve a time slot here in order to come. We had to get tickets. So yeah, we got here at 12 and we just took a little break here. And we're gonna see if we go to Africa. That's where they have all the, obviously, elephants, the tigers, lions, and all of that, which the boys are excited to see. And we'll just insert a couple clips here and there. And yeah, hope you guys are enjoying seeing this little vlog. The boys did turn 4 years old yesterday. We did have a little mini get together for them and we surprised them today, a zoo trip. And yeah, and this little guy is his first time at the zoo. What do you think? What do you think, Liam? Are you ready to see some more animals?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
That's what.
What is it
So they're
doing?
9 months apart and they're 5 months.
Nothing.
Nothing?
You think he wants to swim in the
She's
water?
You think he wants to swim in the water?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm
Say hi.
belong to you.
Oh, look at that.
I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby.
Oh, wow. It's digging in there.
What else?
All right, let's go over here.
Let you down. Sing all my melodies.
Oh, my goodness.
There's no cross. How do I know this? I can't know.
It'd be cool if they could come and drink some water.
I know, right?
Or do they drink water?
Hey, sweet boy. Your finger in your mouth. All right. Hi. Yay. There's the elephants. Finally. You see that? Oh wow, look at that.
Take me to your soul.
Hey guys, so we are back home and super exhausted. The boys actually were knocked out in the car. We actually made it through the entire zoo and the boys really wanted to see the elephants, and the elephants were literally the last animal we got to see. And by that point they were just super tired and cranky. So yeah, we just went home and got some food to go, take out, and now we're here home. Just ready to relax the rest of the day. It was super fun and the boys had a good time. The only thing we probably are gonna do next time is take a little wagon or something for them to rest every now and then. So Liam actually rolled for the first time a couple of days ago and it was just out of the blue and super random. So I'm gonna see if I can catch it on film for you guys.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you,
There you go.
and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you. What things you
That was a huge fail. Liam did not want to roll today, and you know, I'm just gonna give it time. When he is ready to roll, he'll roll on his own. But yeah, I just thought it was so cute to see him roll the other day. I will try to film it just to have it for myself, if I don't include it in a vlog, in a future vlog. But anyways, I already put the boys down to bed. Everyone's asleep already except me. So this is usually what happens. I tend to stay up late because it is usually the only time I get to myself, and the only time I can just rest or, you know, watch a show that I enjoy, or read a book, you know, anything, whatever it is. So I actually am in the living room right now, and it is a complete disaster. So I want to tidy it up, because leaving it messy, I know, isn't the worst thing that could happen, but just for my sanity in the morning, and to wake up, you know, in a better mood, and instead of waking up having to tidy a living room, I think would make me feel better in the morning. And yeah, so I'm just gonna include a little brief segment of me tidying up the living room.
I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you.
You guys, so I already washed off my face and put on my pajamas. So I am all ready to go to bed. I am exhausted. It's been a super long day, but so worth it. My boys had a blast, and we all had an amazing time and enjoyed all of the extra quality time we got to spend with each other. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog today. Be sure to leave me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and if you would like to see more day in the life vlogs, let me know down below in the comments. Also, be sure to check out Ana Luisa's website. I have the direct link in my description box, and use my code JustSydney10 to get 10% off your purchase on your orders. Thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you are new here. Leave me a big thumbs up and turn on your bell notification to not miss out on any future videos. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.